AcuRite 01080M. Measures indoor temperature and humidity from -4 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 to 70 degrees Celsius, and 1 to 99% RH with large, bold numbers, measures conditions every 10 seconds to quickly identify changes in temperature and humidity, as well as displays high, low records for past 24 hours and for all time. Custom, programmable high and low humidity alarms to let you know when humidity levels are outside of your desired ranges. Inkbird ITH10. Mini digital humidity thermometer allows you to easily know the environment temperature and humidity around you. Support degrees Celsius per degree Fahrenheit mode, and read display easily and immediately. Record max and min values of temperature and humidity. Can be placed in household, guitar case, greenhouse, office and labs. Temperature measuring range, 23F140F. Humidity measuring range, 30% 90% RH. DOQAUS Europe, room thermometer has high accuracy. Fast response that consistent measures every 5 seconds. Those 3-pack indoor thermometers help you effectively adjust situation of greenhouse, bedroom, reptiles terrarium, warehouse, closet, wine cellar and other places in time. The humidity gauge comes with emoticons and words reminders and 3-level comfort indicators dry/comfort/wet, keeping you aware of house situation with just a glance. The temperature and humidity monitor ensures proper indoor humidity control and health to protect your skin and health.